Big Science Event is a competition run by Science Oxford for all primary schools in Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire, and it's all about getting young people excited about science, which is what Science Oxford is all about. The main thing about the Big Science Event is that it's about pupil-led investigation, so we want children to choose the investigation that they carry out. We know that it engages children if they have some choice and some control about what they investigate and how they investigate it. We've seen a great range of investigations, things like how many rubber bands it takes to burst a watermelon, or examples like how long it takes for chocolate to melt. So all sorts of exciting investigations that children come up with.
Schools can sign up until January, then they get a term to make their investigations, to run them and to test them, and then come April we start our judging process. So then we select 10 to 12 schools from Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire that go through then to our grand final. The pupils come and they present their presentations and their investigations to a group of judges made up of our sponsors and Science Oxford team. Then they have a day in the Science Oxford Centre in our exploration zone and with various activities. So then at the end of the day, the winning team get a presentation where they're awarded their prizes.
We support schools in a number of ways. We provide a whole load of resources that schools can draw from, things like planning sheets to help children plan out their investigations. And we also run a CPD session for teachers, which we can run in schools for a whole staff team, all about pupil-led investigation. In previous years we've had around 100 schools take part from Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire, and nearly 17,000 children have been carrying out their investigations.
For a school that's joining in with the Big Science Event, there's lots of support available. You can sign up online. There are plenty of resources online on how to run the Big Science Event if you're doing it for the first time. And you can contact us via email or call us if you've got any queries.